Have you ever wondered why some women over 50 are quietly building six-figure online businesses while others struggle to make their first dollar? The answer might shock you. Age isn't the barrier. It's actually your secret weapon. Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal could change everything you think you know about making money online after 50. Let me start with Sarah, a 54-year-old former teacher who was laid off during budget cuts. 6 months later, she's earning more monthly than her teaching salary ever was. How? She discovered something most people miss entirely. The online business world isn't just for 20-somethings in hoodies. It's actually designed for people exactly like you. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Women over 50 possess 3 massive advantages that younger entrepreneurs would kill for. First, you have decades of real-world experience solving problems. Second, you understand your target market better than any algorithm could predict. Third, you have something precious that money can't buy, credibility and trust that comes naturally with maturity. But here's where most women your age go wrong. They try to compete on the same playing fields as younger entrepreneurs. Wrong move. Instead, you need to leverage your unique position. Think about it. Who would you rather buy financial advice from? A 25-year-old fresh out of college, or someone who's navigated real economic challenges for decades? Let's talk about the fastest paths to online income for women over 50. The first goldmine is consulting in your area of expertise. Whether you spent years in healthcare, education, corporate management, or raising a family, you have knowledge someone desperately needs. The beauty of consulting is immediate income potential. You can literally start earning within weeks. Here's how to fast-track this. Create a simple one-page website highlighting your background and the problems you solve. Price yourself confidently. Your experience commands premium rates. Start with your existing network. Former colleagues, friends, and acquaintances are your first customers. Don't underestimate the power of LinkedIn for finding clients who need exactly what you offer. The second fast money opportunity is online course creation. This leverages your expertise into passive income streams. The key is starting small and specific. Don't create a massive course initially. Instead, focus on solving one specific problem your ideal customer faces. A 90-minute course solving a pressing issue can sell for hundreds of dollars. Record your course using simple tools like your smartphone or basic screen recording software. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific handle the technical aspects. The secret sauce isn't fancy production. It's valuable content delivered by someone who truly understands the problem. Here's something interesting about women over 50 in the online space. Your life experience gives you incredible storytelling power. People connect with authentic stories of overcoming challenges, raising families, managing careers, and reinventing themselves. This emotional connection translates directly into sales. The third opportunity is becoming an affiliate marketer for products you genuinely use and love. This works particularly well for women over 50 because your recommendations carry weight. Your peers trust your judgment. You're not just another young influencer pushing random products. You're a peer who's actually tested these solutions. Start by making a list of products or services that have genuinely improved your life. Health supplements, skincare routines, organizational systems, financial tools, anything you'd recommend to a friend. Many companies offer affiliate programs paying 20 to 50% commissions. But here's the crucial part. Authenticity is everything. Only promote what you truly believe in. Your reputation is your most valuable asset. One authentic recommendation from you carries more weight than 100 flashy ads from someone half your age. The fourth fast money strategy is virtual assistant services. Many successful entrepreneurs are overwhelmed and need reliable help with administrative tasks, social media management, or customer service. Your professional background makes you incredibly valuable in this space. The advantage you have over younger virtual assistants is reliability and communication skills. Clients know you'll show up, meet deadlines, and communicate professionally. These basics aren't guaranteed with younger workers, making you incredibly valuable. Now let's address the elephant in the room, technology fears. Here's a reality check. You don't need to become a tech expert overnight. You need to become competent with a few essential tools. Focus on learning one platform at a time, master it, then move to the next. The biggest mistake women over 50 make is trying to learn everything at once. Instead, pick one income stream and focus exclusively on it for 90 days. Become proficient, start earning money, then consider expanding. Time management is your other secret weapon. Unlike younger entrepreneurs juggling multiple distractions, you can focus intensely on building your business. Use this advantage. Dedicate specific hours daily to your online venture and protect that time fiercely. Here's your action plan for the next 30 days. Week 1. Identify your most marketable skill or expertise. Week 2. Research your competition and identify gaps you can fill. Week 3. Create your basic online presence, simple website or social media profiles. Week 4. Launch your first offering, even if it feels imperfect. Remember, perfection is the enemy of progress. Your competitors aren't more qualified, they're just more willing to start before they feel ready. Your combination of experience, reliability, and authentic communication gives you incredible advantages in the online marketplace. The digital economy isn't age discriminatory, it's value discriminatory. You have decades of value to offer. Stop letting age concerns hold you back from claiming your share of this massive opportunity. Your future self will thank you for starting today.